me see.
Can you smile?
It's Cars clothes!
Well, there's one more in there, Aiden. There's
Oh,
one more.
look at the jacket.
Yeah, it's a hoodie, yeah. Aiden, there's more in that.
In this
same
bag.
bag. Yeah, there you go.
I hope it is it. Oh!
Ooh, what's that?
I want to put this.
What is it?
Well, I'm going to show you.
The remote control car.
Wow.
Yeah.
That'll go good on these hardwood floors.
Yeah. Even now it's a truck.
What?
It's a Ferrari.
Yes.
A Ferrari. Yeah.
Yeah. But I don't open it.
Can you get everything open first? All of your presents open, and then you can go back and actually take them out of the packages?
Okay.
Okay.
Next I'm going to do this.
Okay. What's on that bag?
Amy,
What's on the bag?
here so we can all see.
This
On the bag.
on the bag.
Yeah. What's the print on the bag?
What? He was over here. We could all see before you went.
I'm
Come
going
on, the SpongeBob card. You know, none of us can see
Well,
it.
move over this way.
He's got a crazy monkey.
Yeah. Are you glued to the floor over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, too bad.
Mommy,
The
let's
obvious.
catch it.
Yes, it is.
Thanks, Lisa.
Ooh, stop. Come on, get a
That was-
Santa hat.
Oh, it's going out.
What?
I didn't hear you.
Even it's wrapped up. So I can't see it.
He said what? Plate over. No, it goes in the bathtub and it fizzes and turns the water
It's still
color.
took me a second, but I'm there now. I'm better.
Aiden.
More bathtub fizzes.
Yep. It's everywhere.
Yes. But it fizzes in the bathtub.
I know. Even it's purple.
Yeah.
Even if it's purple?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, next one.
Whoa, there's a blue elbow?
It's Mr. Bubble.
I know. Yeah, but even it's from Sesame Street.
You think?
Yeah.
I don't think so.